Want to sell products online? Here's how to build a professional e-commerce website with Wix step by step. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard and creating a new site. Select the store/e-commerce category to get templates optimized for selling. Choose a template you like or start with a blank site. Next, go to Add Products and choose whether you're selling physical or digital products. Fill in product details like title, images, pricing, and descriptions. After adding products, go to Settings, Accept Payments to set up payment methods, such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit card options. Then configure shipping and tax if you're selling physical goods. Customize your site by adjusting colors, fonts, layout, and adding extra pages like About, Contact, and FAQ. Preview the site to make sure everything works correctly, then click Publish to make your online store live. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.